type. It is suitable for different carton size. We have the range, the suitable range of our carton size. The length should be the suitable length is between 40 mm to 125 mm, and the width of carton is between 12 mm to 80 mm, and the height of carton, the range is between 12 to 110 mm. Many sizes of cartons, it can be packed by one machine, just to change the mode. About the mode, this is it has been divided to about 12 spots, 12 small spots, and you can just lose the screw and change another size of mold, and then screw on it. Then the process is finished. For our engineer, it will cost about only 30 minutes to change the whole mold. The machine can be running well. This is our semi-automatic type. But as customers your requirement, we can customize it as automatic type. For example, the process of filling bottle or filling blisters and filling sachets can also be customized automatically. And also for pharmaceutical company, they may fill liquid, they may fill bottle in box, and they will need leaflet to be filled in carton also, and the process of leaflet filling can be also automatically. The speed of this type is about 20 to 50 cartons in 1 minute. This is our working station. The cartons will be opened from here. First, the operator needs to put the folded carton in hopper, and then it will be opened by our machine. Then it will be then on this station the folded leaflet will be filled into carton automatically. Then next step, bottles or sachet or blisters will be filled in box automatically. And here, on this working station, there is a eye mark. Some customer worry about if machine can fill bottles blisters correctly into carton or not. So the function of this eye mark is to detect if in the carton has enough blisters, it has enough sachet, or it has filled with bottles or not. It can be checked, and when box will be closed, it won't be then to the next station. Then there is a rejection. The function of it is to reject a box who is without enough blisters, without enough sachet, or without bottles, it can be rejected to another box, and the qualified bottles can be put into the case. It can be transferred to the next station. If the machine can meet your requirement, if you are interested in the machine, you can send an inquiry to us, and we will contact and send a quotation sheet as early as possible. Some customers may have, as I said previous, we have a suitable range about this machine. If the machine is, if your cartons is bigger than our range, we have another type of semi-automatic cartoning machine. Look at this one. This is our 1000 type semi-automatic cartoning machine. The size of this model is bigger than previous one, and but the suitable size of carton is also bigger than that one. You can see this one is we made for our another customers. This is semi-automatic type. Customer will open the cartons automatically, and here. And the operator needs to fill many small boxes into carton manually, and then it will be finish the packing and to be put out in the box. But if your product is for toys, is toys for small kids, then semi-automatic type is more suitable for you. And 看一下机吧。You can see in this type we use Siemens brand touch screen. This is a world famous brand. This is a German brand. This is world famous. If your customer, or if you are in USA or Europe, then Siemens brand is more suitable for you, because it will be very convenient for your after sales in your local city. Okay, now let's run the machine, and you can see the machine how running. Look, this is the hopper of machine. The folded box will be put here, and when machine running, let's running the machine. The folded. We can set some parameter on our touch screen. We can set to open, to seek the folded carton, or close the edge, and we can also adjust the machine running speed. If there is without cartons, the machine will be stopped automatically. So this is for the machine is very safe for your operator. We set some parameters on it, then cartons will be opened by the machine automatically. Then on the next working station, it can it can fill small box into cartons automatically. But as your requirement, we can also put some irregular filling material into carton manually. And the filling material will be transported on conveyor belt. The belt of this one is the function of it is same as the previous one. The width of conveyor belt is adjustable, and this is the motor of conveyor belt. The speed, just like a semi-automatic carton machine, the speed of conveyor belt is also changeable. You can change the speed. You can turn on or turn off the conveyor belt by this button and adjust the conveyor belt speed by this one. If your filling materials is like plastic bottles, glass bottles, or other regular materials, you'd better to choose semi-automatic type. But if you will use irregular material like small toys or other materials, then semi-automatic type is more convenient. And also, from here, there is working station. The machine can be connected to hot brewing system. So finished carton will be staked, and we can confirm cartons will be packed absolutely. This is customers' requirements. About a hot brewing system, we can use Chinese brand famous brand hot brewing machine, and also as customers' requirements, we can use Robotech brand. This is a famous brand from Switzerland. We sold the machine. We sold the hot brewing system to Korea, to Peru. The machine is used very good in customers' local city. And from here, this is a turntable. In this one, the diameter of the turntable is 700 millimeters. This is suitable for small bottles. But if customers have large bottles, bigger bottles than it, we can enlarge the diameter of turntable. You can use 1,000 millimeter or even 2,000 millimeter. This is as your requirement and as customers' workshop size. Some customer will have question if they have, if this is the first time they will use cartooning machine. Is it very easy to adjust the machines? Previous we sold the machine to Korea. The customer don't have experience to use the cartooning machine, but we will supply online video technical service for them, and at last the machine is running very good. And we also have local service in South America and in Colombia. If for customers it is very difficult to install machine, and our engineer will supply installation service. Okay, let's look at the working station again. You can see our cartons. When you have different size, and even when you have different direction, like this one. This one, the direction is the direction of two sides is same, and this one direction of two sides is different. For horizontal cartooning machine, these two type of carton, they cannot be packed by one machine. But for our rotary vertical cartooning machine, they can be packed by one machine, just change the mode. And the size of our machine is smaller than horizontal machine. Our capacity is 50 cartons maximum. If you will use horizontal type, the price can be reached to over 25,000 US dollars, but our machine will be more cheaper. If you have interest about this machine, please send inquiry to us, and we will send a quotation sheet to you as early as possible. Now let's see the machine running. The folded box will be put here in the hopper. Then folded box will be opened here. You can suck. Machine can be sucked from this working station. Just also you can change the parameter on our touch screen to turn on this function, or you can turn off this function. And next station, it can fill leaflets into bottles automatically. If your carton is if you are from pharmaceutical factory, or if you are from food industry, then your cartons will need then you will need this function. And next one, this working station is to press the cartons again, so it can confirm the cartons can be packed well in our next station. And this one, this is bottle filling system. This is automatic process. If your filling material is plastic bottles or glass bottles or blisters, even small bags, it can be also suitable for our filling system. It can, if you use automatic bottle filling system, it will save your much labor cost. Then next one, on next station, one side town will be closed, and the next one, the other side of box town will be closed. And then on our next working station, the cartons can be closed absolutely. And on this one, this is eye mark. This is to check if you can confirm by this eye mark to confirm if the machine is with enough sachet, with enough blisters, or it has filled with bottles. If in cartons it is without bottles or other materials, then it can be checked. And the next one, the finished carton will be transported to your next station or to the finished case. And if the carton is without bottles, without blisters or sachets, here there is working station. This is to reject the wrong box. It will be pushed. It will be pushed the other side. So we can confirm the finished. We can confirm all cartons in this case. They are qualified. And most customers will have a requirement. Do you need to batch? Do you need to print expiry time, or do you want to print batch number on the cartons? Then our machine can be connected with inkjet printer or ribbon printer, just as the customer's requirement. 这里打码机这里是吧？这。It can be connected on this working station. On this working station, you can add extra inkjet printer or ribbon printer. And also some customers have requirements about carton. They need to add glue on the carton stand. Our machine can be connected to a hot gluing system. This is all functions can be customized by customer special requirements. If you have interest, please feel free to send inquiry to us. We will contact you as soon as possible. Our machine can pack different sizes of cartons. You can see smaller box like this one, and this is an irregular cartons. The top of cartons is a standard type, but the other side it's like this one. This is irregular, but it can be also packed by our semi-automatic cartoning machine very well. And this one, and this one is like the previous one. This is also an irregular cartons. The top one is regular type, but the other one is irregular. And this one This is also special cartons. This is for hot gluing system. Customers, the machine will be packed like this way first, and then press one side of palm, and here it will the hot gluing system will add glue on the surface of cartons, and then the other side of palm will be folded. Then another side closed. And at last, the machine will be, at last, the cartons will be packed very well. This is soap. This is the material soap. This is what we make for our Germany client. You can you can choose to put soap into cartons manually, or you can also choose automatic bottle filling system, and the bottle filling system can also fill soap into bottles automatically. This is as the customer's requirement. It packed very well, and and here there is a batch number. It will be printed by inkjet printer. And let's see our electronic box. Here, this is our vacuum pump. You can check if they have, if the machine have enough gas, and if the machine is running abnormal, you can check this very clear, and you will find the problem very quick. This one, it is arranged very good. When machine is running abnormal, you can check here, and you will find the problem very quick, and you will solve the problem in a very short time. About our electronic box, we can customize it as your requirements. We can use touchscreen PLC in Siemens brand from Germany, and about other electronic box, we can use also world famous brand like Omron in Japan, Skinned in Germany, and all cylinder we will use Vista from Germany. This is a Germany brand. This is a world famous brand. And here, this is the machine have is with glass cover, and it has 4 doors. It can protect you to prevent you from dust in the air, and with glass cover, the machine running is more safe and it's more clear. During package, it will be more clear, so it can be prevent your cartons, your filling materials from dust. And this is our large model. 再开一下。 the function of it is similar as our smaller one. This is a larger model. We also have size range from this type. About the width of about the length of carton. Suitable length is from 40 millimeter to 310 millimeter, and the wings range suitable wings is from 12 millimeter to 185 millimeter, and the height. If you have a very big carton, it can be also suitable for our 1000 model. The suitable length is from 12 to 133 millimeter, and the maximum capacity of this carton is 50 cartons in 1 minute. Look at this. That one. This is hopper. Here is the hopper of carton. The folded before machine running. The operator can put folded carton here in the hopper, and then there is an air cylinder can suck the folded carton and open it. And you can see cartons has been opened by our machine. Then to the next station. Here is working station for filling leaflets as customers' requirement. And here it is to like previous, it is to press the carton again. So we can confirm machine will pack cartons very well. And next one, this is automatic filling system to fill your filling material into carton automatically. As customers' requirement, you can choose it as automatic, or you can remove it. So machine will. If you remove it, the machine is semi-automatic type. If you will use, then it is a fully automatic cartoning machine. And also from here, we made for our another customers. You can fill bottles or fill small cartons into large cartons automatically, and except for it, you can also add an extra filling system, like to put except for box, you can put an extra material into carton. It can be double filling or triple filling. Then this carton is without top tongue, but for our standard cartons,我去拿个东西。For our other cartons, on our next working station, the top of cartons will be closed by this working station. And then there is also another eye mark. Here, you can see here, there is an eye mark. It is also to detect if cartons with filling materials with bottles or other materials. If it without filling materials, it is unqualified. Then on next station, if cartons is qualified, it will be transported to our next machine, like cell phone wrapping machine or labeling machine. But if cartons is not filled with enough filling materials, it is unqualified. Then there is an rejection working station for rejection, and it will reject unqualified here. It will reject unqualified cartons, and it will be put out to another case, put out to another cartons. Okay, let's see. Next, let's see machine running. You can see machine details. You can see this bottle filling system. The bottles will be transported from on our conveyor belt. The speed is adjustable. Then on this side, it will push bottles to the working station on our cartooning machine. Then the whole process can be automatically.壳子开展出，可能样品不够，样品够不够？样品不够是吧？If you will change standard cartons into, if you want to change standard carton without a hot gluing system, without hot glue, and you want to change it, when you change normal cartons into special carton with hot glue, then you just to connect it with hot gluing system on this way, on this working station, and change some parts here and here. Then machine can be running very well. You can see there is working station. It will push our glass bottle to the working station on our cartoning machine. And here there is also that it will push glass bottles into cartons. Some customers will have a requirement if they want to fill bottles, like this direction. This is also suitable for our machine, and we will change the conveyor belt to another device. So glass bottle will be turned around.
这有亮起来吗？哪里亮了？没有哎，哦，这里。
Hello everyone, this is Yuami from Atelier China. Then let me show you two other machines. For the first, please check on these two BlizzStick, which is packing by the BlizzStick packing machine. And you can see this BlizzStick board is length of the capsules, and this part is a broken capsule. And we need to move the capsule menu is so slow. Let you see. It's one by one. It's so slow. Then we have a deep BlizzStick machine can help you easy to put off the capsules automatically. And let me introduce some parts for you. And you can see this line. This we will put the BlizzStick board on this part, and you can see there. We can lose the screw and trim. This machine can trim the part and for the different size BlizzStick board. And turn around. Focus on this part. This roller, you can see this roller is squeezing the BlizzStick and out of the capsules. Other supplier, this part will be stick the BlizzStick on there, but our machine will not stick this BlizzStick. And you can change the angle. You can adjust the angle, and you put the angle up, and the BlizzStick, the BlizzBoard will out of further. Let's start the machine. The machine is start, and press this button. The machine will run. And if you wonder after the speeder, and you need to change gear, and the machine will be faster. Check the number. And you can see they have a counter. It's a counter, and that will counting the quantity of the ballistic ball. And you also can receive the number. And
要打这上面。
哦，
这个会的，应该。
and you can see there put the ballistic is on one side, on the steel word is on the one side. Must be on the one side. And you can see the ballistic board is no capsule in this board. And you can check all. And you can put a tank on there. They will collect the capsule, and you can see the capsule is not broken. It's all completed. Then we can let's on the next machine, and this machine is a filter capsule separating machine. We can put the capsule on the hole. This machine can help you to recover the powder of the capsule, and you use hands to open the capsule is so slow. So the machine can help you recover the powder automatically. This is size 1 capsule, and we also can change to other size like 00 to 5 size. Let's start the machine. Adjust the speed. Now you can see the capsule is not down. You just push this part and the capsule will down. Then, if you don't the machine are working, you just like this. The capsule is not down. Now this start to work. This is size 1. You also can change it to the size 2 or size 0. Just adjust, change the model. Look at this. The capsule bottle and the cap will out of this. You can see there's no powder on the capsule. It's no powder. It's very clean. It's no powder. This part is correcting the powder. Can you see the red powder? This size is 300. The output is 100 to 300 per minute. Oh, this machine is 128. We will also have other size. Is one size is 1,160, and this is one line. The other side is double line. We also have a more small, like only this part. You can put in the desk to use. It's very small.
10分钟。
Okay.
讲一下模具啊什么的。
什么模具啊？
这边有很多模具啊。它的电话换成绕圈。
好，行吧。
说明流量加少。
Hello, this is Rudy, and it's our plant. You can see we have many half-finished cutting machines. And if you need the machines very urgently, you can tell us. We can our machine can be ready on the 25 days. So, should you? And it's some of the spare parts we finished. You can check this one. This place. 过去了，了乱。Okay. Yeah, the old side down. And it's half the finished 10 tables. And this one is for the module change. If your box is very big, we will make this size bigger. If your box is very small, we will make this place smaller. You can check the frame. It's all the steels. And you also can find this the touch screen. It can be screen. Yeah, you can change this place like this one. It's very operated easily. And you can find out the heat. This platform is very low because the operated can be operated this machine very easily. And some persons will put some goods in the boss memory, so they need the workers to do it. So they will put here. If it make a very high, it's very not easy to operate. That's all this. And this half the finished carton is for our customer from Poland. And this is the box. And you can check this place. It's a spring stick. used in the home, like this one. I will to the logo. I will remove the logo like this one. And this is the crammed air storage tank, because this machine, this cutting machine needs the compressed air. So you should purchase the compressed air. So we will use this storage tank because we have many cutting machines. We buy the bigger one. You can buy the small one. If you need the technical parameter, you can tell us. We can tell you.可以了吗？ No, that's all. And it's all the. We have another live broadcast on the 26th, and we will introduce a new capsule filling machines. So welcome to come our live